Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Surula, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So today we are going to discuss about, are there any risks for DNC? Yes, there are risks associated with DNC. What are the risks? The primary one is infection. So if you're choosing to get a DNC done, get it done via a gynecologist who is very experienced, because cervical dilatation needs time, needs experience, and if it is not performed properly, it can lead to injury of the cervix, and they have to again perform a cervix surgery to reconstruct the cervix, and it can be very painful. First step. Second thing, the amount of anesthesia given is also very important. So going to a good hospital where you have variety of doctors who give you anesthesia, who perform this and who assist you is also very important. And apart from that, if the instruments which are being used in the operation are not properly sterilized, you can get infection, really bad infections also. So that is also very important. And important thing is uterine perforation. If there is someone who's not experienced with DNC, or if the doctor is literally not in the mood to do it sometimes, or if the assistant is doing the DNC, if it is not done properly on any of the conditions, it can cause perforation. That is, the uterus is not a larger organ, right? It can expand large when there is a baby inside, but it usually is a smaller organ. So if the curettage is not performed properly, it can lead into smaller holes being poked inside the uterine lining, especially to people who have just had their abortion or miscarriage, or who are in their premenopausal or postmenopausal stage, right? And if the perforation is really deep, it can damage your intestines also. The intestines can also get perforated. And also, not only that, perforation can lead into adhesions, scar tissue formation, and then other complications. So if what are the risk factors for DNC? Infection is one of the risk factor. Uterine perforation, if the cervix is not properly dilated and you're inserting an instrument, it can lead into trauma. It can lead into scar tissue formation and other potential complications like intestinal trauma or intestinal perforation. And even after having all of these risk factors, if it is done by a professional gynecologist in a good hospital, you can eliminate all of this, but you can't eliminate the recurrency factor. So even if you're getting a DNC done, there can be a recurrence soon after 2 to 3 months in some people. The fibroids can reoccur, and endometrial hyperplasia can reoccur, and even the bulk uterus can reoccur. Now coming to the consultation option, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. Otherwise, if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online, either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. Once the consultation has been done, or your medical records have been verified, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us on this number, or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed how homeopathy has better choice in treating these kind of diseases. Now we will be discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is a better choice in homeopathy. See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here, especially, we are following 3 principles. We are experiencing high success rates in treating diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, cervical erosion, dysmenorrhea. So the success rate is really high. Apart from that, the treatment is really transparent. What do you mean by that? The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And then the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. There is any sort of questions that you are facing, myths that you believe in, or any sort of questions regarding the medication, or any sort of questions regarding the disease prognosis, everything will be explained to you in detail. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.